Hi everyone, Sean Wassell here. If you're like me, then more often than not, your personal projects will start off as primarily front-end applications with little to no back-end functionality. But inevitably, at some point, you're going to want to allow users to start storing their data and allow more people to start using your app. And that's when we need to actually convert our front-end application to a full-stack application. Now, the first step in this process is generally converting our front end over to load all of its data from a server of some sort, and of course, building out the server. And that's what we're going to be doing here. So in order to basically see how to add a server to a front end application, what we're going to be doing here is using the friend tracker application that we built in the React course. So you're going to need to clone that from GitHub if you don't already have it, or just watch the course. And we're going to see how to convert that to load all of its data from a server instead of just storing it in the user's browser. All right, so that's our basic plan of attack. Let's get going.